people. If you love that, let me know by subscribing to my YouTube channel. The link is below this video. Make sure you subscribe. Subscribe, you'll get more. And support this channel by growing it by subscribing. Share it to your friends, your loved ones who are interested in learning. Also, give me a thumbs up if you love it. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. And if you have questions, drop it in the comment section below this video. You will get your answers. Hope to see you soon for more lessons coming up. Peace.